got paint in my hair. No.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face. I can't wait to show you more of my face.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is December. Alexa, what's today's date?
It's Tuesday, December 8th.
Today is December 8th. I know I'm a little behind on Vlogmas, and that's just because I had some things that I had to do. But I'm back and better than ever. I'm not really doing much today. What I've been doing is pretty much just shopping, getting Christmas gifts, and things like that. But today I decided that I would do something that I fell in love with doing during quarantine, which is pour painting. I did one pour paint right there and it got a little messed up, but during quarantine I got really obsessed with viewing videos on YouTube of how people do acrylic pour painting. So I decided to go to Hobby Lobby and pick up some things. So I'm gonna do some pour painting today. Not really doing much. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm also going to be probably filming another chit chat video. My cousin, well, my god sister did a tarot card reading on me, and I have to say I was very shook by the results. So I'm thinking of either doing a reaction video or some sort of video where I show you like just how good she is, and you know, yeah, I'm just mind blown. So I'm gonna take you guys with me today. First things first, I need to get ready because I don't like to wear good clothing when I am when I'm painting, because that acrylic paint, it's really hard to get out of your clothes. So yeah, see you guys when I'm dressed. All right guys, so you probably can't see me, but this is the pour paint that I purchased from, ooh, it's not in focus. So this is a pour paint that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It's the Master's Touch. It was $19.99 and it just comes with 4 colors that are already pre-mixed. So we have this bronze color. Hopefully you can see it. It has a white color. It has a gold color and a silver color. Hopefully that's all in. Oh, that wasn't very smart. I just got paint in my hair. No. Y'all, do you see the paint in my hair? Do you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Do you see the paint in my hair? I think I got most of it out, but now I just have to let it dry so I can blow dry it. I'm gonna let it air dry, then I'm gonna blow dry it and make it straight. Lord help me. All right guys, so pretty much what I just did was I was writing my ass off just now, but what I was doing was I was setting my intentions, and on December 21st 2020 is the Great Conjunction, and I just learned about that from my friend and her boyfriend on the Dream Talk podcast. Shout out to them, Tia and Dion. And pretty much what I did was I went ahead and I wrote down pretty much everything that I desire. Tia started off the podcast saying, like, what do you desire in your life? Not just now, not just for the next year, but for the next like 15 to 20 years of your life. God willing that we all make it that far. You know, not putting any bad thing in the air, but you know, life happens. We can't, you know, we can't discount that life actually happens. But yeah, so I just went ahead. I'll show you guys. I went and I wrote down like numerous pages of just things that I intend. I even did like romance and career and financially and just where I want to be in life. And I think it's important to do things like this. I mean, I know during the month of December, most of the time we do vision boards and stuff like that, and I think those are also things that are important to set you on track for things that you want to attract in your life. So thanks so much to Tia and Dion for having that session on their podcast. I think it's very important that these things are talked about, especially with how 2020 went and how it changed pretty much everyone's life. And yeah, so go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna link that below. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I did not actually get a chance to shoot my YouTube video just because I got so focused and so sidetracked on doing this intentions, which I think is so important. So make sure that you guys give it a try, give it a shot. It's something for your life. Why not? Why wouldn't you want the best? But as always, guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.